Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. Guys, I've got a free energy at home. Really, you can't believe that there is a free energy. So, I got old batteries from the laptops. I got old car batteries for free from my old car, from my friend's old cars. And I received free solar panels from my customer. So I've got free energy at home. I've got wires, old wires from fixing electronics, because I'm fixing electronics. I've spent only money on some connectors. So if anybody wants free energy, join us. Repair electronics, learn electronics, fixing electronics with me on this YouTube channel or by joining Inte.Team, and you'll get as well not only free energy by solar panels, you can get free batteries, yes, like me. You'll get free cabling, yes. All you have to do is buy some connectors and have free energy at home as well, yes. And then on top of that, you'll get even more free light. Why? Because I've got plenty of backlight. I'll show you. Plenty of backlight LEDs over there. Such a mess. All of them are for free. You know why? Because these died in customers' TVs. And guess what? They are not needed. They could either go to the bin or I can use them. So I prefer to use them. That's why I've got free energy. Guys, I don't know how you, but free energy does exist and you can learn to have it for free. Join us. Let's make this world slightly bit better. Thank you. Bye-bye.